The health authorities say the outbreak will not peak before August, and yet, despite this grim situation, the government continues to send out confusing messages to the public, with politicians often seen without a mask and not observing social distancing guidelines. The WHO letter says that the disease transmission is steep and the health system is not capable of detecting, testing, isolating, and treating every case and tracing every contact. It also points out that a high positivity rate of 24%, which is above the required level of 5%, underlines the seriousness of the situation and the poor efforts of the government in this regard. It urges the provinces to enhance daily testing capacity to 50,000 to assess the actual prevalence of the coronavirus, besides strengthening the surveillance system, identification, testing, isolation, care for the ill, including identification and the follow-up of contacts and quarantine. Lastly, it has recommended the imposition of a 2 weeks on 2 weeks of lockdown to contain the virus transmission. The government disregarded expert advice when doctors called for banning congregations and ensuring the strict implementation of social distancing guidelines to halt transmissions. It did not consider their opinion when lifting the lockdown, and it has consistently ignored violations of social distancing guidelines, with the result that few have bothered to make the necessary adjustment to lifestyles. It is doubtful then that it will heed the WHO's advice.